Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install a new OS in MacBook Air. Let's start. Here is you can see a folder icon appear on screen with asking mark. That means there is no program installed on your Mac. Now let's start to install Mac OS. To install Mac OS, press Control or Command Option with R. Then press power on and wait for few seconds. After some time, you can see a globe icon appears on your MacBook screen. Now your MacBook presently connected with internet and ready to download new OS. Now program downloading has been completed. Your Mac will be turned on shortly. Now go to disk utilities and click continue. You can see there 5 the total disk, you can see the total disk capacity is 512 GB. Now click erase and put your name, as I have already selected my name. And after erasing is completed, now go back, then select reinstall Mac OS and then click continue. That is the main screen of installing OS. Now click continue and wait for few seconds. This is the terms and condition page. Click agree and select your internal hard disk and then select installed. Now your new OS will be downloading. It's take about 1 to 2 hours, depends on your internet speed. Now the installing process has been completed and you can customize your Mac. Click next. Now connect your internet. If you want, put your internet password. Select next. Data and privacy agreed. Now I will skip this step. Next. Now agreed the terms and condition. Agreed. Put your computer name. Now you can choose your Siri voice command, or if you want to skip, you can also skip it. Now choose your theme. Now this is the final stage. Now this is completed. You can use your Mac. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get latest video notification. Thank you very much.